million because Baker is now a suspect in a shooting the day before. Sarah Sheila. The victim survived.
Oh yeah, that's brutal.
Condition. Baker was arrested in a dark blue Chevy. Officers caught up with a 43-year-old suspect after receiving a tip. He's been booked into the King County Jail. 5 years after her shooting, a coroner's inquest into the death of Charlena Lyles continues. Details from Jeff Pozula.
Lyles was killed by Seattle police in 2017 when they were responding to a 911 call from her apartment. Reports are that she lunged at officers with a knife, causing them to open fire. Among those testifying at the inquest was Lyles' upstairs neighbor at the time, Lorna Murray.
What did you hear? Gunshots. What I believe to be gunshots. How many did you hear? I heard 3 in rapid succession.
The purpose of the inquest is
monitoring abuses because of arbitrary detention of civilians and enforced disappearances are now widespread, and because the high rate of civilian casualties raises significant concerns that Russia is targeting.
Oh, what? You idiot! Seriously? Go!
You're in trouble. You're in trouble. This is sanity.
How hard is it to park
Is that right? Kind of a crazy day, huh?
Yeah. You didn't tweet something really nasty about anybody, did you? Did that?
No, especially somebody that had, you know, some facial surgery. So
you know what? I asked the question, Tom. I wanted to know the answer to this. Do you really bleed from a facelift?
You know,
it's gonna hurt your car more than it's gonna hurt mine. You want to hit it again? Because you obviously parked to save your life, because you drive a Prius. Good job. Good job.
Glad that guy saw that, because I did not see that right away. Wow. Serious, dude? Wow. Jesus.
Something like this can erode your motivation to do your best. I think it depends on the individual.
Another woman told me that her brother and sister were furloughed these last weeks, and she had to report to work.
I'm just really excited to be able to get back to work because